Welcome to the weird and wonderful world of CB's Creative Studio sessions. So first things first, what on earth are these sessions? Well, every 2 weeks, Claire, the C, Rapport's creative strategist, and Ben, the B, Grand Visuals Account Director, travel the virtual world gathering amazing stuff from all manner of sources. Cutting-edge science, provocative art, glimpses of tomorrow's tech today. The sessions are a brilliant opportunity to showcase stuff that pushes boundaries, that stops us in our tracks, that feels magical. If not now, very near in the future. It's the kind of stuff that Arthur C. Clarke would wholeheartedly approve of, so we'll use his laws as our guiding principles for each of our sessions. Oh, and we do have one more guiding principle. We won't show examples of great advertising. No, there are no case studies, no best-in-class executions. Why? Because we're looking for creative inspiration, and the heart of that concept is always going to come from the real world outside of advertising. For example, musicians don't write songs about other songs. Artists don't paint about other art. Novelists don't write about other novels. Directors don't make feature films about other films. They write about experiences, influences, stuff in the world that inspires them. And we shouldn't be any different. After all, nothing is original, but you only know what you know, and you can only draw from what you know. And so it's simply about understanding the importance of having an expansive library of more that can inform different ideas. So let's know more. Paula Scher, graphic designer, one of the world's most acclaimed graphic designers, explained best the concept of constantly filling your head with more. I have a pile of stuff in my brain, a pile of stuff from all the books I've read and all the movies I've seen, every piece of artwork I've ever looked at, every conversation that's inspired me, every piece of street art I've seen along the way, anything I've purchased, rejected, loved, hated, it's all in there. It's all on one side of the brain. And on the other side of the brain is a specific brief that comes from my understanding of the project and says, okay, this solution is made up of A, B, C, and D. And if you pull the handle on the slot machine, they sort of run around in a circle. And what you hope is that those 3 cherries line up and the cash comes out. So these sessions are purely about loading up on weird and wonderful stuff from the world that will increase our odds of hitting the jackpot. And the hope is that somehow, at some point, these little snippets of more could potentially create a spark of inspiration when we go heads down into a brief. It's no more complicated than that. So please join us as we journey down the rabbit hole.